Okay, Dodge and Jeep owners, brace yourselves. What if I told you your brand new electric vehicle could just roll away, even in park? That's the shocker from Stellantis with their latest recall on the 2024 and 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona and Jeep Wagoneer S. And trust me, you'll want to hear why this is a must-fix issue. This is breaking news, folks. Stellantis has just announced a recall that could impact you in a big way. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why these models are at risk and what you need to do about it. And wait until you hear how they're planning to tackle this in 2026. So here's the deal. The core of the problem lies in something called the parking pawl. It's a crucial piece of hardware that locks the transmission when you put your vehicle in park. But what happens when this fails? Your electric Dodge Charger Daytona or Jeep Wagoneer S might just roll away. Yes, even on a 10% grade. But here's where things get really interesting. You see, electric vehicles have a simplified transmission, more like a reduction gearbox for the super fast spinning electric motor. This gearbox can be mechanically locked, which is supposed to prevent any unexpected vehicle movement. However, a misaligned return spring in these models allows the parking pawl to disengage. This means your vehicle could move freely and, quite frankly, that's a recipe for disaster. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. Stellantis is set to roll out a fix by late September, installing a brand new electric drive module at no cost to owners. But until then, you need to be extra cautious. Always keep your foot on the service brake pedal when releasing the parking brake in these affected models. It's a temporary measure but crucial for safety. Looking at the bigger picture, this recall highlights a growing challenge in the EV industry: the fine line between innovation and reliability. As automakers race towards electric dominance, these technical hiccups remind us there's still a long road ahead. Could this spur a rethink in EV design? Only time will tell. But it's definitely a wake-up call. So, what do you think? Has this recall changed how you view electric vehicles? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most, and don't forget to hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down another game-changing topic you won't want to miss.